Hey everybody, Travis with Arizona E-Z Fletch. Just going to go over real quick how to fletch with feathers. I've actually got a left hand jig right here, so it's going to put a little bit of a left helical on there. So the first step is obviously cleaning your arrow up. So this arrow's been prepped and cleaned and it's ready to go in the jig. So I'm going to go ahead and load the feathers in the arm starting with the cock vane. So I start from the top and slide them into position. Then our two hens. In there. Alright, grab my glue bottle here. It's a regular old vinyl glue, nothing special there. So when I glue them, I'm going to run from the top to the bottom, not the bottom to the top. If you go bottom to top, it's going to tend to pull the feather up out of the jig. So from top to bottom, I'm just going to run a spot of glue right down the back side of that feather. Just like so. I'm going to grab my arrow, and just so they look nice, I'm going to give it a twist so that crest is lined up on that cock vane, and when it's ready to go, I'm going to go ahead and just close those up, push up and twist. Toss the cap on, let it dry, and when it's done, go ahead and pull it out of the jig and tip and tail it, and your arrow's done.